Hi, my name is Preston Winger. That today we're going to be looking at mapping and data visualization. So information visualization and mapping. So students often struggle with research, even research that contains statistics, graphs, and mappable data. Even if the research is good, we must enable them to make the meaning from that research. Information visualization, which is InfoVis, is one way that students can apply, is a tool that students can actually apply to make sense from the research information. This principle, task of information visualization is to allow information to be derived from data. Okay, it's Google Maps. So what is Google Maps good for? Google Maps, through Maps feature, allows you to make markers and write descriptions of places. However, creatively using this software allows you to do a lot of other things. The following are just some examples of what can be done with it in the classroom and the workplace. For English class, so English map. Um, for English class, this is what Google Map is able to do. Okay. So this is a assignment sheet example. Then for research paper, it will come in, it will do this. For mapping locations, this is what Google Map will come and do. Google Maps and how to end activity. So this handout describes how to get started creating custom maps in groups. Okay, so the free time, you can actually try this one out and see what you can create. And then in your groups, consider how this can be used in class, and you'll be asked to share your ideas with everyone. Okay, so this is a world map. What is a window map good for? So window map is best used as a text analysis tool. One example of student use would be to run all sources for research project through it to search for trends and connections separately. They might also choose to run them through all at once. There's copying and pasting each to look at overall trends. Students could create maps for their own documents to see if they map out ways, okay, students internally intended. So it could also be used to create interesting visuals for presentation. So for us to be able to do this, we can refer to this link here, www.widow.net, to use Widow to analyze your syllabus or other course documents that you have already created for this semester. Okay, so you discuss this at your free time. Okay, then we have many eyes, and the link is actually there. Okay, so this one has got some bar charts, as you can see. Okay, so what is many eyes good for? So many eyes is good for analyzing statistical data, that is numbers, although it does not have word and text analysis tools. These are not as powerful. It can also be used to create network diagrams like a window chart for statistical data, and has some sort of non-statistical factors such as location. Another example, a visualization will look like this. So you have Canada here, it has numbers, yeah, these are figures, United States, and so on. So this is a window. How to activities. So in this activity, you can actually follow the link and try to work it out on your own. And then you have some discussion questions there. Sites for collecting data. Okay, so sites for collecting data, you have these links. Okay, meaning you can collect data from these links here. Okay, so you can do the surveys and everything. So basically, this is a topic on map visualization. This has been Preston Winger. Till next time, bye.